Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be looking at another Winter 24 update that is out in our sandboxes now. This is the update for the data table and the Salesforce screen flows. Now we have the ability to search within a data table, make a selection, search for another item, and select it, and it will remain selected. So I've got a flow that I've built out that demonstrates this, and we're going to take a look at it and see how it functions. But if you haven't done so already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I'm putting out new Salesforce content all the time, and let's jump into this video. All right, so I wanted to start here on the Salesforce Spring release overview deck. The link for this is in the description. This is the update I'm talking about. So when searching for records, selections are retained. So previously, when a customer needed to search across records within a data table, any selections made previous to the search would be lost. Now selections are maintained across record searches. So there's no extra steps for configuration. It's the same way you configure a data table before. It's just added functionality to this. I love this update, and let's jump right into my sandbox and see how this works. All right, so I have a flow built out, really simple flow. I'm just having it get all the contact records within my sandbox org. From there, it's just displaying those into a data table screen that I've configured as the source collection of that get element. So let's run the debug here, and we're gonna hit run. All right, so I only have 13 accounts in my org, but if you had a ton of records and you needed to search for something, you could do Edge, which I know is one of my accounts. You can make that selection, come up here, and let's search United. Hit enter. You can see there's options here. You can see that item has stayed selected. We have one item selected. Now we have two. And a way to see this I found, because I don't have that many accounts in my org, if I just clear this out and hit enter, I can see both of these remain selected, which is awesome. Or if you come in and you select like Grand Hotels, and then now you want to search for Edge, you still have one item selected. You select the Edge communications, and if I clear that out, I can actually see that both of them are selected. So that is the big update. Before, your first selection would disappear if you tried to search. You know, if you had Grand Hotels selected and you search for Edge, you would lose Grand Hotels. So this is a really nice feature that they've added in. Really, they should have caught that on the first run through when they put this out, but it is what it is, and we have it now. So this is a great feature. Play with it in your sandbox, and you don't have to do any additional config. So if you already have a data table out there in the world, this functionality is built into it now. But this was a really short video demoing that for you. I love the new feature. If you found it informative, leave a like on the video. I really appreciate it. It helps me know that you like this type of content, and I actually plan on making more content like this in the future, specifically reviewing new release items. The previous video I did really well compared to a lot of my other videos. So I'm going to keep doing that. I actually enjoy making them because it helps me in the real world, because I'm playing with all these new features. And as an admin, I can stay really up to date on the latest information. So I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video, and I will see you in the next one.